Hey, if you've been guilty of throwing out your old knives, you don't have to do that anymore. I've got this knife sharpener here. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. This is going to allow you to sharpen all your kitchen knives and many other knives. So like I said, you're going to start here. This is your coarse setting. Now there is like a diamond stone in there. And so all you're going to do is set it in there and you're just going to pull it back. Okay, and the angle is automatically going to angle your knife in the right direction. Okay, so I'll just set it in there, and we're going to go about 4 times. Now we're going to go this side. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to fine tune it. Okay, we'll go this side. Oh. And we'll go back this side. Okay, now we're going to polish. Whoops. Kind of try to give you a little look at the edge on here. Wow, that definitely got that pretty good. This was a pretty beat up knife. Let's just see how it cuts through this orange. Wow, not bad at all. I'm going to tell you, this knife was very beat up. We've had this, like you can see the cracks in the handles here. So this is where you catch all of the shavings. Look at all the metal shavings on there. The proof is in the pudding. You can see it definitely is working on the edge of that knife. This did a great job. So if you're looking for a good, easy to use knife sharpener, definitely check this one out. I like it. It worked pretty good. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.